Okay, the next example, if the points A 6, comma 1, B 8, comma 2, C 9, comma 4 and D P, comma 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken into the order. Find the value of P. In this example, they given four vertices which are to be vertices of a parallelogram. These 4 points A, B, C and D are vertices of a parallelogram taken into the order. The meaning of it, this is the first point, second point, third point, fourth point. That is the order to that. Don't change the order of that vertices. Then find the value of P. Where it is a P? Just look at the thing here in the coordinates of D. Okay, the x coordinate is to be missing, okay, then you can find the value of P. Okay, we know some properties of the parallelogram. In the properties of the parallelogram, the diagonals are bisect each other. The meaning of the thing, the diagonals are bisect each other means, diagonals means join the opposite vertices is called as a diagonal. AAC and BD, those are to be diagonals, those are to be bisect each other. The meaning of a thing, AC is divided by BD into the two equal parts. The meaning of a thing, it is that AC, it is that BD, then this length is also to be equal to this length. The same situation, BD is also to be divided into two equal parts with the AC. That means length of this measure is also to be equal to the length of this measure. The meaning of the thing, this point is to be midpoint of AC, and similarly this point is also to be midpoint of the BD. Then so the midpoint, this midpoint is to be common for that AC and BD. Okay, then you may find out the midpoint of that AC and BD. Okay, both are to be equal. We can equalize those midpoints. Coming to the concept, we know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. According to that, we know the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Then midpoint of x1 y1 x2 y2, the formula used to be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So what I said, the bisect, these are the diagonals are bisect each other. The meaning of the thing, midpoints of first diagonal is also to be equal to the midpoint of second diagonal. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So what are the points here? A and C. A is 6 comma 1, C is 9 comma 4. It is the first point x1 y1, it is the second point in this one, so it is x2 y2. The formula for that is to be x1 plus x2 by 2, 6 plus 9 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2, that is equalized with that midpoint of BD. Okay, what are the vertices here? B and D. B is 8 comma 2, D is P comma 3. It is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. 8 plus P by 2 comma 2 plus 3 by 2. So by simplifying that, we are getting the result is to be 15 by 2 comma 5 by 2, that is equal to 8 plus P by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, if the 2 points are to be equal, then those x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are also to be equal. X coordinates are equal and y coordinates are also equal. So coming to that, so now it is to be 15 by 2, that is equal to 8 plus P by 2, 2 to cancel on both sides. Now it is to be 15 is equal to 8 plus P, P is equal to that 8 should be transposed to that side, then 15 minus 8, then P is equal to 7. This is the required value, P is equal to 7. That is the required value, P is equal to 7. Okay, so that's what I required here. Then coming to the next concept, next example, coming to the next example to that. Then the similar example to this, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. In the previous example, just one of the point x coordinate is to be missing, you may find the value of p in that one. Okay, but in this example, the 4 points are to be vertices of the parallelogram taken into the order, no doubt of it. Okay, the first point, the second point, so in the second point y coordinate is to be missing, the third point x coordinate is missing. You may find out that x and y values in the question. Same condition, those are to be vertices of a parallelogram, then automatically the midpoints of the diagonals are equal. So here let the name of the vertices is not to be mentioned that, so we can assume that those are to be A, B, C, D like this. A 1 2, B 4y, C x6 and D 3 comma 5 are the vertices of ABCD parallelogram. Those are to be vertices of ABCD parallelogram. Then we know in a parallelogram the diagonals are bisect each other. The diagonals are bisect each other. Then this is A, B, C, D. Midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD is same. Then the midpoint formula for the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD. So A sorry 1 comma 2 and C x comma 6, x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Then coming to this here BD, B 4y x1 y1 3 5 x2 y2, 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. By simplifying that, 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2, that is equal 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Both the points are equal. Then automatically those x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are also to be equal. Then compare the x coordinates here. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, 2 cancel. X is equal to 1 transpose to that side, 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. 8 by 2 is equal, y coordinate is comparison. 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2, 2 cancel, 8 is equal to y plus 5. Y transpose to this side, y 8 minus 5, then y is equal to 3. Here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. These are the required values in the question. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Okay, this is the way to find out that missing value in the given question. Okay, so the condition for the parallelogram is the midpoints of the diagonals is same. Okay, so the diagonals are bisect each other in a parallelogram. Not only in a parallelogram, in a square also the diagonals are bisect each other, and rhombus also diagonals are bisect each other. In a rectangle also diagonals are bisect each other. In a parallelogram also bisect each other diagonals. Okay, clear?